I have just had a Bond knitting machine delivered to my door. I bought it on eBay at the weekend and it's been delivered. I've got all the packaging off and I'm just about to delve inside and see what's in the box. I've got a good idea what's in the box anyway. There were 2 magazines that were sent with the machine. Excuse me. And 2 boxes were in the package as well. So let's have a look and see what's in the boxes. I've got a good idea. I've already had a Bond machine in my life before, so I do know what's in these boxes, but let's just have a look. I've got, can you see that? Wow, look at that, it's pristine. I've got some, the most important thing is the key plates that go into the carriage. Just make sure they're all there. There should be 4. 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 key plates. I've got the pegs in nice bright colours and a ravel cord there. Looks like I've got another ravel cord there as well. And I've got the green and yellow cards there to help me cast on. Sorry, I've got a weighted hem there as well. I don't think that was included in the original Bond setup. That looks like it's come from another knitting machine, but a brilliant addition. What else have I got in here? I've got, oh, what's this? What smells like a wax block. So obviously to wax the yarns, and that's the wax disc that I think came with the Bond. Let's take these pegs out. Oh, I've got welcome to the Bond. Wow. Oh, gosh, it's brand new. I mean, it looks like it's hardly been used, this. From the pattern booklet there as well. And I've got, oh, here we go. Oh, there we go. There are the transfer tools and the latch hook as well. So I'm glad to get those because I'd have to buy them otherwise. So that's what's in the little, I'm going to pack all this away. So I know I've got it all packed and it's all there. Yeah, so really pleased with the contents of the box. There's another box as well. I'm not sure what's in that, to be fair. Let's have a look. Let's make sure I get my pegs back and my ravel cords back. Let's have a look what's in here. Even I don't know what's in it. Oh, row counter. Yes, I've got the row counter as well. That's invaluable if you're doing machine knitting because you can keep count of your rows. Otherwise, you have to do it. It's even, again, got the original paperwork in there. It's the Bond row counter. Wow, it tells you how to set it up with your machine there, which I will be looking at. That's fantastic. Gosh, I didn't expect to get it in such good condition, to be honest. Okay, I've got 2 magazines, like I said, in there as well. Let's have a look and see what's in the main box. Right, let's open the lid, shall we? Oh, wow. Wow, it's all, I don't know if you can see that, but it's all bubble wrapped. Fantastic. There are, I can see through the bubble wrappings, 2 clamps in there to clamp the main bed to the table. Instruction booklets there, which are, again, in absolutely pristine condition. There's even the contents list and the guarantee cards still in there. So it looks like it hasn't been used. It's such good condition, this. The ladies put a small ball of wool in there for me to try out. Yeah, this is the carriage. Yeah, the top of the carriage. Let's just undo that if I can. I won't undo the clamps just yet. Yeah, there we go. There's the carriage top. And we've got, oh gosh, we've even got the quality control ticket in the box as well. That shows that how pristine it's been kept. I mean, this is just amazing. What have we got here? Oh yeah, this is the carriage itself. The key plates go in here. I'll just grab a key plate. Oh, I can't because it's in the box, isn't it? You put a key plate in here. The carriage top goes on the top, and then you feed your yarn through this slot here and into the eye of the carriage. So I've got the fabric guide on there as well. We should have a, yep, oh yeah, got that. Got a, oops, the hem, plastic hem, the cast on hem with the weights, the long one. Oops, there we go. And it's, again, that's pristine, absolutely pristine. There's no bends or folds in that, so that's amazing. And this is the bed. Oops. I'm going to take the bubble wrap off this very carefully so you can see it. Oh, wow. I'm going to put this down in a minute. I'll just some sellotape on here. Wow, wow, wow. This hasn't been used. This is just unbelievably good quality for second hand. Good, fantastic condition for second hand machine. This is second hand. Wow, this is hardly, oops, this is hardly being used. Bit of paper on there. It has got the little stickers on to denote the needles on the needle bed, but that is perfect. I mean, it, like I said, it looks like it's hardly been used. It's in absolutely perfect condition. That is amazing. I'm so pleased to have a bond back in my life. I'm going to take it to the caravan and do some knitting. Oh, listen to that. That's music to my ears. So that is my new bond. I will show you how I'm going to set it up. I already have another knitting table, so I'm going to set it up on there. And hopefully do a bit of knitting on that very soon.